In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tick symbol in Outlook. We'll be working in Classic Outlook, and I'll show you 2 easy ways to add a tick, also known as a checkmark, right into your email. By the end, you'll know how to insert it from the symbol menu and how to use a quick keyboard shortcut, so you can choose whichever method fits your workflow. First, let's use the built-in symbol option. Open Classic Outlook and click New Mail to start a message. Place your cursor exactly where you want the tick to appear in the body of the email. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top. In the Symbols group, click Symbol, then choose More Symbols. A pop-up window will appear. In the Font drop-down, select Wingdings. Wingdings is a special symbol font that includes a variety of icons, including the tick. Scroll through the characters until you find the tick, which corresponds to character code 252. Click the tick to select it, choose Insert, and then Close. The tick will land right where your cursor was, and Outlook will add it to your recently used symbols list for quicker access next time. If you need it again later, you can return to symbol and grab it from that list without scrolling. You can also adjust its size or color using the regular font formatting tools to make it match your email style. Now let's look at the Alt code shortcut, which is helpful if you prefer the keyboard. Place your cursor where you want the symbol. On the Format Text tab, in the Font group, change the font to Wingdings. Hold down the Alt key and type 0252 on the numeric keypad, then release Alt. The tick symbol will appear immediately. After it's in place, you can change the font back to your original font if you'd like. A couple of quick notes to make this work smoothly: the Alt code requires a numeric keypad, and number lock should be on. If you're using a laptop without a dedicated numeric keypad, this shortcut may not function as expected, and you may find the symbol menu method more reliable. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.